Hi, my name's Kathy. I'm a librarian at the Hamilton East Public Library, and I'm also a master gardener in Hamilton County. Well, last year I emulated Bill Nye the Science Guy, and I did a science experiment. Don't you love science? It's the way to actually figure out for sure whether what you thought was right was actually right, or whether it was wrong. So what was my science experiment? Well, I planted tomato plants. So this plant and this plant are both red Siberian tomatoes. This one I planted indoors on March 6th in trays with the grow lights and all of that sort of thing. This one I planted on April 7th through Winter Sowing. So put it outside, didn't have to worry about it, no grow lights, no work. When I planted them, this one was of course smaller than this one. But as you can see now, it's the beginning of August, and this tomato plant has 18 tomatoes on it, and this plant has 16. Although I will say they each have one ripe tomato, several ripe tomatoes on them. So basically, it didn't turn out any different. So it didn't really matter whether I started it indoors or whether I started it outdoors through winter sowing. So this lets me know that I don't need to take up my counter space indoors, at least for tomatoes. I can wait and do it outside. Now, for you, it means whichever way is more convenient to you, that's how you're gonna do it, because you're not going to sacrifice your tomatoes' growth by doing it one way versus the other. And I just thought I'd share that little science experiment with you. Hope everything's going well with your garden, but now while you're thinking about planning what you're going to do for next year, just keep this in mind. Now I will say, probably that's not the case with some plants. Peppers need a long time to grow. So for those, you probably do need to start them indoors to give them enough time, a really long time, to get big enough to get peppers before the season's over. So that's all I have for you today. Happy gardening to you.